Hey, welcome to Guam. Here at the airport at this time. Departure. You can see the Philippine flag. It's called Bloody Stone. Guam, Korea, likely Taiwan, like British, Philippines, Micronesia. I don't know about the other one. Let's go, let's go. This is how it looks here inside. Wishing something. Not obvious because there's no water, so I don't know what it's called. Carabao. And the Pacific Blue Marlin. World record replica. Look at that. A huge fish. So, maybe someone caught a fish as big as this. Amazing. Isn't it beautiful? We're going to the right place. Oh, I'm not exactly sure. We have to go there or here. Let me see. What does it say? Yeah, right there. This ancient people. Spaniards. Government house. Richard A. Leary was the governor. Oh, wow. Look at that. Previous governors of Guam. Look at that. Wow. So it is a huge one. Huge blue marine. Clear. The White House. Look at that. beautiful it is. It's a falls. One of the falls I'm going. From a long time ago. I'm going down. I need something from down here. Sticky tea, checking, elevator. Searching up this waiting area. I guess I'm on this office. Okay, later.